Hey beautiful, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video, you know what we're doing, you see in the title. We're gonna be creating the classic brown smoky eye glam. Perfect for hooded eyes, perfect for almond shaped eyes. Literally suits every eye shape and every eye color. I did in a past video talking about what colors suits your eye color, because basically your eye color would reflect and the color would get more enhanced by the color you choose. You know, you probably notice that yourself, is whatever your clothes you're wearing, makeup you're wearing, the lighting and so on. There's so many factors that works with that. So I did actually a video about it. I'm gonna link it here, you guys can check it out. I'm thinking to do a new updated video because I think it's an interesting topic. So this video we're gonna be creating a soft glam classic smoky brown eyeshadow look that suits literally every eye shape and every eye color. Just wait till you see, because if you've seen this video you'll know that browns and golds just goes with every shade, literally. Okay, so I think without any further ado we should just start. I already prepped and primed my eyelids. When I say prepped and primed, you can use the eyeshadow primer if you wish, or if you like me and you don't want to buy 20 million different products and you try to utilize the same product for more things, do like I do and just get the, you know, concealer. Works the same, trust me. So I just use the Makeup Revolution concealer and define concealer in the C1 for that, and then set it with a setting powder. The one that I use currently is Revolution Pro Protect Translucent Setting Powder. So for today's eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna go with NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Warm Neutrals because it has all these beautiful brown shades. When it comes to brown shades, obviously for smoky eye you could just go with any shade you want. I'm just gonna start with a crease blend brush by b.u.beauty. This one comes part of the Essentials Eyes. I'm gonna use this one. Go with that higher than your creases. So if you have open eyes, you want to see the shade. So you can try and just watch straight. This is where your shade will go. That makes sense. With the eyeshadow placement, a lot of people make a mistake by closing the eyes while applying the eyeshadow, especially when having a hooded eyes. And then, you know, when you actually open eyes and watch straight, you're like, just doesn't work right. Next thing I'm taking the shade, keeping the same brush, and just going slightly bit lower, kind of buffing the shade up. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this lovely shade, same brush that I used before, and then just gonna go with this close to the lash line, as close as it can be, and then blend it up. For mascara, I'm gonna go with Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. Am I pronouncing this correctly? I haven't tried this yet. This is my very first time trying it, so I think I'm gonna quickly film like a proper review video for that, and then gonna come back to use with the look. So I have this Glow Kit by Anastasia that I just used for the highlighter. I'm gonna use the same one, just with smaller, denser brush. This one is Precise Shadow by b.u.beauty. I'm gonna just brighten the under the brow arch and in eye corner. To the lower lash line with NYX Ultimate Warm Neutral Shadow Palette, I'm just gonna go with this darkest shade and gonna go all over the lower lash line. I just need to apply the mascara on the lower lash line and then lip and I'm done. So what do you guys think of this finished look? This eyeshadow, super easy to create. I mean, I went for 3 shades. You could easily just go for one. If you're gonna go for one shade, start very close to the lash line and then just blend it all up. And you're done. And this makeup look suits literally every eye shape, suits every eye color. Don't you think that this makeup look is perfect for, like, you know, autumn, winter, especially with this darker lippy? I use the Revolution Rockstar in Fever. Absolutely love the way this lippy looks together with this eyeshadow combo. You could go for nude lippy, you could go for red lippy. This eyeshadow would literally work with everything. I think this is the most universal eyeshadow, because if you do black eyeshadow, it might be a bit too much and a bit too strong, but this could be a daytime look, evening look, super easy to create. Yeah, let me know what you guys think, if you like this makeup look, if you're gonna go and recreate this. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more super important part. Would support my channel majorly. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you very soon. Have a fantastic day, guys. Bye!